We're at the farm here. This is kind of like my little secret garden. There's two sides to the farm. There's the east side and the west side. I've been coming here since I was 19 years old. And when I was 19 years old, there was a lovely gentleman, I'm not going to break his anonymity, but we built this dome here. And it's supposed to last forever. Please, join us. So there's a lot of artwork in here. People come in here and meditate, they read, and they draw on the walls. Sometimes they'll make food. So you'll have, you know, the hippies making vegan food, and they'll dish it out the windows. I'm gonna conjure up a hobbit out of this hole. On the count of 3, I will say conjure hobbit, and I believe and I wish with all my being that a hobbit will come out of this little tiny door. 1, 2, 3. Conjure hobbit!
There's no poison ivy here, is there?
Yeah, no. I don't think so. I doubt it.
It's like we're all walking in poison ivy right now.
Right? Yeah, if someone put poison ivy around stepping stones, they would be very, very evil. Yeah, I was gonna say unconsiderate. Anyways. Where is that hobbit going? What is he doing there? Boing! That's interesting. Zoom in on that little sign. It looks like an eye with some sort of sigil.
Like Egyptian.
Yeah, it does.
Pit of death. I almost tripped.
I wonder if they're gonna bury like some squirrels or. We're just gonna grill up some roosters here. We're gonna have some rooster pie. Yeah! Here's some rich and bountiful lavender. Captain Kirk, this is Spock. Do you hear me?
Thought that was a cat for a second.
Ooh, look at all those pretty flowers on that tree.
It's like a cherry blossom almost.
Yeah, yeah.
Like the United States version of one anyways.
Right?
Nice time at the secret garden. Hope you enjoyed our adventure. Coming to places like this always seems to clear my mind, or anyone really. Just walk around in nature, kind of contemplate, think about life. And yes, should do it every once in a while.